Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 4X, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you want to pull off the back cover of the device. You have a little pull tab right here on the bottom right corner, and from there just pry off the cover like so to gain access to the slots. And at the very top you will have space for your SD card, so all you need to do is just slide it like so all the way in there. And then you also have spaces for two different SIM cards. They both go in the same way, and I only have one, so I'm just gonna demonstrate it with one. So you wanna not to drop it like I just did. Slide it in. Place the card the same way as it's positioned right here. So the cutout is on the top right corner, as you can see right here. And you just wanna slide it all the way in while destroying everything. Okay, so now that it's in there, you can unlock the device. And let's see, it looks like it needs to be rebooted for it to actually work. Okay, so let's do that. And after the reboot, the SIM card should be working fine. Okay, so there's the pin for the SIM card. Just put that in there. And you can see there's a SIM, and SD card should be working just as well. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.